Well, this example we have here will take several of our skills we've already learned in previous vlogs. You'll see that our a term does not equal, the coefficient is not 1, it's 3. Now, as we look at the example, it's not in standard form either. So I have to face those two hurdles. I have to set it equal to 0 and then factor the quadratic. First thing we have to do is set the problem equal to 0. Now some people may feel tempted to, okay, move the 3a squared to the right side and be negative 3a squared plus 7a plus 20. It would work, it'd be okay, but I think since we're used to having our a term be positive for now, we'll go ahead and proceed with that method. Oh, I'm sorry. All right. Now let me check my work. Okay, 7 came over and 20. Okay, everything is moved over to the left-hand side, and we have it equals 0 now. All right, now we face the difficulty of factoring it. I don't see any common factors that I can factor out. 3, 7, and 20. 3 is prime. Okay. 7 is also prime, so therefore we can't factor anything out of this quadratic. All right. We'll have to work on the grouping method now. Now I need two numbers that when multiplied equal negative 60. Okay, that's fine. And now I'm looking at my middle term, my b term, negative 7a. Now 7 means that we have mixed positive negative. They need to add together to be negative 7. Hmm. Okay, now I see negative 60. I think of two things. Like I said earlier, it's going to be a mix of signs, positive and negative, and then the middle term is negative 7. So our two factors have to add to become negative 7. So, so really, but they're both going to be positive. I know the middle term needs to be negative 7, meaning the bigger number is going to be negative. Now I need to see which pair has 7 between them. Not 2 and 30, not 3 and 20, 4 and 15. There's 11 between them. Well, we're getting close. 5 and 12. There is 7 between them, meaning 5 plus 7 is 12. So if we have a positive 5 added to a negative 12, the answer is negative 7. No. Okay. So this process, if it seems new for you, I suggest you go back and watch some other vlogs that have factoring by grouping method. There are several vlogs on that topic. Now we split 7a into 12a plus 5a. Now we're going to focus on the first two terms. We're going to factor these two terms. I think 3a can divide both those terms. We'll pull out a 3a then. Now, what do these two terms have in common? Well, 5, and they both don't contain a variable. So only we'll take 5 out of these two terms. So now, well, remember with 5a minus 20, I pull out a positive 5. Now we're looking at two terms here. What do they both have in common? They both have the term parentheses a minus 4, close parentheses. Now it's fully factored. Now I set both terms equal to 0, and we'll solve for a. So this is our solution set. Remember, I haven't checked our answers yet. What you do is put both these answers in the original quadratic and make sure 0 does equal 0. Thank you for watching this vlog, and see you next vlog.